actually have filmed this one before, back in 2022. I just realized by now. So yeah, this is actually a retake. So this is actually a retake in 2025. On this side. Gonna right. This thing is quite loud though. Hey, someone's calling it. Oh, vibrates a lot. And yeah, this replaced an older elevator. Orona. Oh yeah, almost every Orona elevators in Norway has a door open button on the outside. Not sure for what purpose is that. So yeah, that's it.